Birds name pictures and sentence.
Crow. Crow.
This is a crow. A crow is black in color. Sparrow. Sparrow. This is a sparrow.
Sparrow eats small food grain.
Pigeon. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. A pigeon is gray in color. Parrot. Parrot. This is a parrot. A parrot is green in color. A parrot eats chili. Peacock. Peacock. This is a peacock. The peacock looks very beautiful. Duck. Duck. This is a duck. A duck live in water. Duck eat fish and frog. Owl. Owl. This is an owl. An owl comes out of nest only in the night. It eats rats and other small creatures.
Eagle. Eagle.
This is an eagle. An eagle can fly very high in the sky. Eagle eats snakes and rabbits. Crane. Crane. This is a crane. Crane eat fish and frog. Kingfisher. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. It is blue and orange in color.
Eat fish.